In article needs analysis in English for specific purpose or ESP for nursing student. Research type descriptive quantitative respondent. 36 nursing student to ESP lecturers, nursing lecturers, company stakeholders. Data collection technique questionnaire, data analysis technique, descriptive statistic, problem statement. The ESP materials provided were not aligned with the needs of nursing student. For result, reading skill or reading word schedule and contract we were the most needed, followed by listening, speaking, and writing. Questionnaire or interview question needs for English sub skill and relevant ESP topic. Next, an article need analysis of ESP for physical education student in Indonesia. Research type mix methods, quantitative and qualitative. Respondent 50 physical education student and 10 lecturers. Data collection technique, questionnaire and interview. Data analysis technique, descriptive statistic and thematic analysis. Problem statement, students were still taught general English instead of ESP. In the result, the most needed topic were English for sports, journalism, and communication as a professional athlete, library or coach. Questionnaire or interview question. Perception is perception of English ability and desired ESP topic. In article, ESP needs analysis for marketing student in an Indonesian vocational school. Insights from strategy analysis. For research type, descriptive qualitative. Respondent 50 vocational high school student majoring in marketing. Data collection technique is questionnaire and data analysis technique descriptive statistic. First problem statement, a lack of ESP research for marketing student in vocational school. In the result, preferred material, product management and marketing strategy, most important skill, reading. For questionnaire or interview question, preference for material, methods, motivation, and importance of sub-skill. Next, in article need analysis of English for specific purpose at food, beverage, Merkie, hotel, Bandar Lampung. For research type, qualitative, respondent 5 senior food and beverage staff. For data collection technique interview and data analysis technique thematic analysis. For problem statement is staff had difficulty communicating with foreign guests. In the results, the most needed skill were speaking and listening. Questionnaire or interview question is English needs in the workplace difficult and expectation. Next, for ESP course design for Indonesian hotel industry, need analysis. For research type, qualitative, respondent 3 front desk staff and 1 hotel manager. For data collection technique, interview and participant observation, and data analysis technique is thematic analysis. For problem statement from the staff lacked ability to communicate in English. For the results are primary needs, speaking and listening, material, hotel vocabulary, check-in or out conversation, understanding accent. For questionnaire or interview question, difficult in producing English work competency and training expectation. Next, for article needs analysis on English language used by hotel staff in Bandung. For research type, quantitative, respondent 27 hotel staff members. For data collection technique, use questionnaire and data analysis technique, descriptive statistic. For the problem statement, is hotel staff encountered problem using English. For the result are most important skill, speaking, most needed language function, giving information on facilities and handling complaints. For questionnaire or interview question is important of language skill, language function, and problem encountered. In article Principle and Practice of ESP course design a case study of a University of Science and Technology. Research type, quantitative, respondent, 257 students or English majors and non-English majors. For data collection technique is use questionnaire and data analysis technique, SPSS or descriptive t-test and ANOVA. For the problem statement, discrepancy between EAP and the ESP requirements of real workplace. For the result, the most needed skill was writing. Students with high proficiency had more interest in ESP. For questionnaire or interview question, perception of language skill, needs and interest in ESP learning. In article on needs analysis of ESP in textile engineering profession in Ethiopian context, for the research type is mixed methods or quantitative and qualitative. For respondent, 156 textile industry works and 8 managers. For data collection technique is questionnaire and interview. For data analysis technique is percentage analysis. For problem statement, graduates lack the necessary English communication skills. For the result, the most needed skill were speaking and writing, common activity, emails, reports, communication with suppliers. For questionnaire or interview question is activities performed in English and required English competence. Next, in a need analysis approach to ESP design in Iranian context. For the research type is quantitative. Respondent for 49 architecture student and 72 graduates. For data collection technique is questionnaire and data analysis technique SPSS or chi-square test. Problem statement, ESP course did not meet the learner's needs. For the result, the most important skill was reading comprehension, followed by writing, speaking, and listening. For questionnaire or interview question is language skill needs, attitude towards the syllabus, and effectiveness of ESP course. And the last article, Need Analysis and ESP Course Design, a case study of the Institute of Nutrition, Food and Agro-Food Technologies. For research type, qualitative case study. For respondent, 12 PhD students and 10 subject teachers. For data collection technique is questionnaire and data analysis technique, descriptive qualitative analysis. For the problem statement, inadequate ESP course due to limit time, large class, and lack of lecture training, leading to student difficulties with text comprehension, technical vocabulary, writing, and speaking. For the results, a positive attitude toward ESP but insufficient class time. Weak proficiency in writing and speaking identified as most important skill. For questionnaire focus, past ESP experience, language proficiency, skill important for research, problem encounters, and course improvement suggestion. Thank you.